I'd just like to welcome everyone at home to the first annual Truck Olympics. We're here somewhere deep in the heart of St. Louis, trying to establish first ground rules for this groundbreaking annual event. We have a small bald guy up here. He's trying to coordinate the first exercise, which is a blindside attempt at backing a trailer. I'd just like to reiterate that this video has no reason for being made. You should feel dumber for watching it. I've lost track of reality altogether now. I'm slowly slipping into senility. Goodbye for now.